Hello everyone. Today let's talk about Shift oil seal. This oil seal made of rubber and metal. The color is black and the size is internal diameter is 100 and the external diameter is 130. The sink is 17 and 19 and the color is black. We also can provide the customers the service. We can customize this color and this size, this type and this material. This oil seal has the following features. The first one is with longer service life and good brush resistance, high temperature resistance and good structure, aging resistance and oil leakage prevention, mud pro water and thickened spring thickened skeleton. This is applicable to heavy truck. And welcome everyone to inquire and order. If you are interested in this product, just send us our inquiries, and we also can send you the free samples.